Work out 33,075 divided by 441 without using a calculator. Now, we know it's possible to write numbers as products of their prime factors. So first of all, write the division as a fraction and then split both numbers into their prime factors. Okay, using the factor tree method, so if you add up the digits, these all are divisible by 3. So we've got 3, and when you divide through by 3, term by term, you get 11,025. Again, 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5 makes 9, so it's divisible by 3. And again, when you're going through term by term, you get 3,675. And then again by 3, you're going to get 1,225. Now 3 no longer goes in, but because it ends in 5, it's divisible by 5. It will leave you 245. Again, it's divisible by 5, which will leave you 49, which you know is 7 times 7. So this is the product of its prime factors. Do 441 in the same way. So again, 3 goes in because the digits add up to 9. So you get 3 and 147. 3 again goes in and we get 49, and 49 can be split up into 7 times 7. Now, writing the division, so the numerator is going to be 3 times 3 times 3 times 5 times 5 times 7 times 7. Write them all out, don't write them as powers. Put the division sign in, and then we've got 441, which is going to be 3 times 3 times 7 times 7. And then we can do a bit of cancelling. The 3's will cancel. Another 3 will cancel. None of the 5, that 3 won't cancel, the 5 and 5 won't cancel, but the 7's will cancel. And therefore the division will work out to be 3 times 5 times 5, it's 25 times 3, which is 75. So this has been a video to show you how to use prime factors to do a more complicated division. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.